him. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Elsa Nur Azizah from 8th class. And here is my title. Exploring EFL teachers, strategies, and teaching reading using authentic reading materials. A case study at 8th grade and a junior high school in Garut, Indonesia. For that burning issue, according to the 2018 PISA Program of International Student Assessment Report, Indonesia's reading scores are declining to 7th. One solution is to evaluate teachers based on their media method and strategies. Study FL 2020. It should be noted that reading is a method for people to derive meaning from the discourse they encounter. Reading assists students in learning and acquiring English. When recognizing the main concept and supporting details in the reading, authentic reading authentic facts can help students understand what they have read more clearly and make teaching activities more varied, according to Kusuma Wardani 2018. As a result, it will aid the improvement of Indonesian students' reading level. But however, it can be challenging for EFL teachers to find, select, and modify authentic reading material for the lesson in the classroom, and it takes time, according to Rusnawati 2018. Also, in the research side, teachers often use material that only exists in the textbook. So it's the problem. And then here are my research questions and proposals. For these questions are, first one, what are EFL teachers' strategies in teaching reading using authentic reading materials? And then, how do EFL teachers implement strategies in teaching reading using authentic reading materials? And the research purposes or the aims. The study explores EFL teacher strategies in teaching reading using authentic reading materials and also find its strategies implementation in teaching reading, of course, using authentic reading materials. And next, for the relevant theories, first one, EFL teachers teaching strategies. According to Iowa 2017, a teaching strategy is an educational approach, plan, and method of classroom activities or interaction that is used to achieve the teaching and learning objective. Based on a study of crucial variables in the classroom teaching techniques are a method of making judgments about a particular class or even integrated curriculum. And the second is teaching reading in EFL context. According to Garcia, Medruga, Martin, and Luku, 1997, a site in Orbea, Philadelphia, 2010, teaching reading should be divided into two stages. First one, focus on learning and mastering fundamental skills of word comprehension, and the second, on the construction and integration of text in the reader's memory. Also, according to Larson, Freeman, and Anderson, 2011, there are various differs using and teaching foreign or second language reading. First one, grammar translation approach, direct method, silent way, task-based language teaching, and communicative language teaching. Number three, the English teacher strategies in teaching reading. Readers apply reading strategies such as hypothesis formation, prediction testing, and the use of vocabulary and linguistic skills to construct meaning during the reading process, according to Carol, Zhang, and Al-Hatib. And the last one is authentic materials. According to Bacon and Vitamin, 1990, cite in Akbari and Razati, authentic materials are texts created by native speakers for non-pedagogical purposes. Authentic materials are also defined as instruction to and use to real language in its community, according to Kilikaya. So my method, the methodology about my research, use qualitative descriptive research according to Kurzweil. 2014, qualitative research aim to understand the meaning of an individual or groups as well as investigate social or human issue. Also, my study focus on the teacher's perception of the strategy and implementation of using authentic materials in reading classroom, which requires an in-depth view that makes it as case study. Case study is an in-depth analysis of a constraint system that investigates the instructional activity, the teaching learning process, and the teacher's perspective as individual conception based on significant data collection. And then there are 3 stages to answer the research question. First one is interview with the teachers about English teaching reading practice using authentic material. And the question relate to several theories from the study. And next, the second is observation, observing the teachers to determine how the English teachers' ideas for teaching reading using authentic material implemented. And uh, the observation checklist from Grab Strollers, Brawan Emily, Paka et al., and Ihsan Journal. And the last stage is questionnaire to ask students about their perception of English teachers' reading, teaching strategies, and its implementation. Adapted from Muhammad Journals. And the last one, the site is at One Kersamana Junior High School located in Garut, West Java, chosen to find out challenges and abilities of English teachers implementing strategies to teach reading. Also by selecting and using authentic material. And the participant is 3 teachers. Participants are 3 teachers and at that site, One Kersamana Junior High School. As 50% of all English teachers in the site. Thank you, maybe I think enough. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.